Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to focus on dividing unit fractions with the whole number and a whole number divided by a unit fraction. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, in 5th grade, we don't do fraction and fraction. So if you're looking for a fraction with fraction or a mixed number, check out other videos that I have posted on my channel. All right, for the first example, it says, Miss Jackson split her 8-hour dance class into lessons that were each 1/4 of an hour. What were the number of lessons in an 8-hour dance class? So this question isn't actually asking you. So 8 divided by 1/4. Okay, so what happens is when kids think divide, they just want to start setting it up like long division. It's actually asking how many fourths are in 8 hours. Because that's saying, what's the total number of lessons? How many fourths make up 1 hour? Would be 4. Or how many fourths make up 1 whole? 4. Well, you have 8 of them. So what I do is I use a ruler. I think it's very helpful. So my ruler is just 8, which represents the 8 hours. But it says each fourth of an hour. So that's 1/4. So in between 0 to 1 hour, or the first hour, there's actually 4 groups. Same thing from the rest. You just keep going. I'll go as fast as I can. I won't do a lot of videos on this one because I feel like you just need to understand if it's dividing a whole number by a fraction. It's asking you whatever that unit fraction is can fit into how many wholes. So in this case, you have 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. If you were to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way, you would end up with 32. That makes sense. What kids want to do is give me a fraction for this. No, it's total number of lessons, so your answer is going to equal a whole number. So in this case, it'd be 32 lessons. All right, it says Kai has 1/5 of her birthday cake to share with Fatima. How much will Fatima get from the whole cake? So what you first start off is you're dividing 1/5. She's going to share with it. So that means Fatima gets half of what she has. She can't share the whole cake. She can only share what she has. So if you had a paper, you would rotate this paper. You would model 1/5, turn the paper clockwise 90 degrees so it's now facing up. Now, I'm not rotating my screen, but I will split it into half. So then you go back, turn your paper back regular. And this is what Fatima gets. She gets 1 out of my new total parts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so like I said, this one seems to be the one that really gets kids. So I'm going to do another example. Ariel has 1/4 of her pizza. She's going to share it with Desiree, Caden, and Andres. Okay, so each friend gets a third. Now, she's given her pizza away. It does not include her. So because there's 3, I'm going to break it up with 2 lines to give me 3 parts. Now, each friend, that's just 1. So you've turned your paper, you've broken it up. That's what 1 person gets. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. So this is a 1 out of 12. So what I did, I just counted the dimensions. You can go through and count them. So it's 1/12. All right, for this one's a little different. Graylin modeled an expression to find its value. Write an expression that represents Graylin's model. Okay, so here's where I hear kids want to do 1/4. There's not anything shaded 1/4. These are divided into fourths. So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, all the way through. What did you start with? You have 4 tiles, and you want to know how many fourths are into 4 holes. Well, there's 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. So that's actually 16. It said expressions, you don't have to solve it, but for our video, we're going to solve it. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.